Time check, it's currently 5:48 p.m. and we are now using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with the plus 3 decibels gain plus the plus 6 decibel gain from the receiver itself. And this is the sound quality of DJI Mic Mini with the receiver connected on our Insta360 Ace Pro 2. How's the sound? And also, bukas yung noise cancellation ko or yung noise reduction ko dito sa DJI Mic Mini. So, this is the sound quality of this microphone. And sa next clip naman na gagawin natin, itatry ko naman na gamitin yung Bluetooth connection instead of using this receiver. Okay ba yung quality or kaya mo bang tiisin yung quality when using the Bluetooth connection? Let's find out. So right now, I'm currently using the DJI Mic Mini with the Bluetooth connection. This is the sound quality of this DJI Mic Mini with the noise cancellation turned on using the Bluetooth connection. And kung nakikita nyo, hawak ko ngayon yung DJI Mic Mini receiver. So I am not using it with my action camera. Wala akong sinet na gain or additional gain for the camera on the Bluetooth connection. This microphone is via Bluetooth connection without gain on the mic. So this is the sound quality of this DJI Mic Mini using the Bluetooth connection clipped on my shirt. How's the quality? Sound check 1, 2, 3. And this is the sound quality of this DJI Mic Mini kapag naka-place dito sa harapan ng bibig ko. Mic check 1, 2, 3. Mic check 1, 2, 3. Sound check 1, 2, 3. And try naman natin without the noise cancellation. Hello, and this is the sound of DJI Mic Mini using the Bluetooth connection without the noise reduction feature. So how's the sound quality? And this is the sound, the noise reduction turned off, and this is with the noise reduction turned on. If you have any existing Osmo action camera or the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you can use the Bluetooth connection with a higher quality because the camera itself acts already as a receiver, while dito sa Insta360 Ace Pro 2, nagkakaroon siya ng mababang quality. Hindi siya same quality as mic receiver. So this is the sound quality of its Bluetooth connection. And this is the sound of this DJI Mic Mini again with the receiver connection. And napansin ko lang, mas clear talaga yung quality niya when using the receiver itself because it gives us the higher bit or higher quality of audio. Unlike when using the Bluetooth connection, it shrinks down the quality of the audio to the point na para ka lang gumagamit ng headphones sa isang call or headphones sa isang Zoom meeting. Parang ganun yung quality niya. Okay naman yung noise reduction niya. Mas okay siya kapag Bluetooth yung gamit when it comes to noise reduction or noise cancelling. But it is still preferable na gamitin natin yung receiver para ma-maximize natin yung quality na meron ang DJI Mic Mini. And also, masasabi ko lang na maganda rin kasi gumamit ng Bluetooth connection. For example, you were using the action camera for diving or you're using the action camera na kailangan siya mabasa or malubog sa ilalim ng tubig because when you're using the Bluetooth connection, nakasil kasi yung USB-C port at yung microSD card na port sa camera. Kaya safe pa rin for waterproofing or weatherproofing yung ating camera. Unlike when using the receiver, kailangan natin tanggalin yung cover ng microSD card and USB-C port para may kabit natin yung USB-C receiver. So dahil doon, nawawala na yung pagka-waterproof or weatherproof ng action camera natin. And also maganda lang kapag Bluetooth connection, very minimalist yung setup. But when you are aiming or when you are looking for a better quality, better audio quality, gamitin mo yung mic receiver. para mas ma-maximize mo yung quality ng DJI Mic Mini. So, yun lang muna for this video or this microphone test on this DJI Mic Mini. And if sa tingin mo nakatulong tong video na to or nakapagbigay sa'yo ng idea or insights, please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And please comment down below if you have any questions. And see you on my next video.